Hi, thank you for choosing us as your tent expert. Today we will be walking you through the steps to install, set up, and stow your folding tent. Let's get started. Check if you have everything you need to install the tent. With two people, take the legs of the tent and open the tent slightly. At the bottom is indicated where to grab the frame to open it. Grab the frame at the indicated spots and walk backwards. When the center pole raises slightly, stop opening the frame. Place the roof canvas over the frame. Make sure that the corners of the roof align with the corners of the frame. Go inside the tent. Attach the points of the roof to the center poles using the small caps inside the roof canvas. With two people, grab the frame at the indicated spots and walk further backwards. Ensure that the PVC protective flaps on the inside corners are not doubled over. Attach the roof canvas to each of the tent's legs with the two strips of Velcro. Place your foot on the base plate. Push the frame for each leg up until it clicks into place. Ensure the PVC protective flaps on the inside of the roof are not doubled over. Put the tension straps on the inside of the roof sides through the square openings and secure them. Tension the straps slightly. Lift one side of the tent and pull the pin at the bottom. Slide the legs out until they click into place. Do the same with the other legs. After you have made sure you have anchored your tent properly, you are all set. To install the first sidewall, attach the flaps on one side from top to bottom. The opening in the canvas goes around the pin of the leg. Attach the Velcro at the top. Begin where the sidewall is already attached to the leg. Attach the flaps on the other side from top to bottom. Attach the flaps of the second sidewall to the rear of the one already fitted. Attach the Velcro at the top like you did before. Attach the flaps on the other side from top to bottom again. When you have installed all sidewalls, you should have a waterproof tent. Remove the sidewalls. Pull the pins of the legs and let them sink fully. Undo all the tension straps on the inside of the roof sides. Loosen the roof frame by pulling the pins. It may help to place your foot on the base plate and push the roof frame slightly upwards. With two people, push at the top in the middle of one side towards each other. The tent should fold easily. Thank you for watching. Visit our website for more information and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned on other subjects.